Down.
32, 58.
Eastbound in the westbound lanes by breakaway. It looks like the front right's going flat.
57 Central, traffic block at 95.
I think he just sideswiped that red car. Still eastbound on Granada. Passing Riverbend now. Passing Riverbend on Granada. Everything for me is shut down. All right, he's pulling in the Riverbend Church. There's you got two people with him. There's two people in the car. Pulled in the Riverbend Church. Bail out. Two black males. One's got red shorts on, black shirt. One's got pink on. One male's running behind Riverbend. The driver went the other way. The driver went eastbound. He's that way. Yep.
All right. Live. Here, come here. Really back into that shit, huh? Los, Fooey, Los, leave it. Los, Fooey. That's their bag of dope. Yep. Here, leave it, Fooey. Hey, leave it. Just gonna work the rest of the edge of this pond first. Selling him. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. I can't see you at all. I'll get him off as soon as I can get to you. Fucking blind. Blind's in here, huh? All right. I'm going to. Hang on, I gotta get in here too. Hang on, we're fine. All right. You got it. Listen, you crawl out that way, right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm coming, sir.
You crawl out to the right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I'm coming. I don't got nothing.
Rescue.
Give me shoes.
All right.
Give my shoes, sir.
Pocket! Rings, buddy! Rings! Stop right there. Pocket! Show me your hands, man. Show me your hands. Stay still, man. Stay still. Do not move. Put your hands behind your back. Do it now or I'm going to send this dog back on you. All right? Go ahead and move in.
Got a magazine in its
Behind these trees right here, I want you to check where he was hiding at, okay? Good boy. Had a good buddy. Good boy, good soup. Yeah, had a good soup, buddy. Good soup. House. He's actually tucked up, so come on. Yeah, his tail's wagging like a banshee. He's down. Hold on. Blivin'. Look at that. Good job, buddy. Good boy. Blivin'. Good blivin', buddy. Yeah, that's a good job. Rings. Boy. Good job. Good search, buddy. Good boy. Adam, good search. Good job. Good boy. I'm going to let you hold up real quick. Okay, let me get a picture of it. toy in his mouth, so he don't give a about that. Anything else? Nothing else here.